Aloha, and welcome to the Monday AI Navigator. One trend matters most. AI is moving from answering questions to actually doing work. GPT 5.6 continues the push toward more capable and economical AI, while companies move deeper into AI-powered workflows. Edit with Copilot in Excel can help build and modify real workbooks using formulas, tables, charts, and pivot tables, not just answer questions about your spreadsheet. The sleeper opportunity, reusable Excel skills. Turn repeatable tasks into reusable AI workflows. Trainers, stop teaching prompts. Teach people to give context, delegate, inspect, correct, and measure outcomes. This week, take one Excel exercise and rebuild it as a complete AI-assisted workflow. Smart tools, real work, better together. Keep on learning. And remember, don't get mad, get skills. Aloha.